The two ministers were not in the House for the final day of deliberations on the estimates of expenditure. In their absence, House Speaker Dr. Barton Scotland precluded their presence in the chamber on Monday, saying that he had been provided with documentation by the People's Progressive Party parliamentarian Anil Nandlal to sustain his decision. Leader of the government's business in the House, Prime Minister Moses Nagamutu, then stated the government's intention to abide by the rule of law. The Chief Justice ruling was met with strong criticism by Attorney General Basil Williams, who dubbed Mr. Chang's ruling fallacious. Speaking to media operatives recently, Citizenship Minister Winston Felix said he will abide by the CJ's ruling, but raised a few questions about the validity of the CJ's conclusion.
The process by which the decision was made, while I don't want to call the conduct of the judge into question, I'm not too sure right now the process by which that decision was made. This is my personal position.
Minister Felix, just like Attorney General Williams, is doubtful of the justness of process that led to the ruling.
We, from a Partnership for National Unity and the AFC, we obey the rulings of the court. However, the Attorney General, in my view, my personal view, must be allowed to have a say, and I'm not too sure that the Honorable Attorney General has had an opportunity to respond in this matter.
Felix went on to say that if two parties are involved in a matter, then both parties should be up to date with what is going on. He said from the little he knows, he cannot tell how the matter actually reached to the point where a decision had to be taken.
I just know of a certain course of action up to a certain point and then a decision. I don't know what was the AG's part in the matter. I don't know what role he played, if he played any at all, and to what extent was the full process in this matter had gone through the judicial review it had to have.
Justice Chang had not issued an order for the Speaker of the National Assembly to request that Ministers Scott and Felix vacate their seats in the House. In the meantime, the Attorney General has stated his intention to appeal the ruling and secure a stay of execution. Royden James, HGP Nightly News.